cartoon artist and I love cooking. Before joining Vatebra Academy, the only exposure I had to tech was Cisco in my secondary school. My journey into software development began when my sister returned from the university, and she told me that tech skills are more in demand in markets. So one day, while scrolling aimlessly through Instagram, I saw an ad which popped up about Vatebra Academy. I entered their website, I reached out to them, and I received a reply from them. That was how my journey into tech started.
I like how encouraging Vatebra has been to me. When I started out into tech, I had no idea about it at all. But then they guided me through the steps. I gained confidence. I started interacting with people. They gave me clarity and opportunity to network. Stadiolo has been very kind and he pays attention to details about whatever he's teaching us. Whenever we have classes, he takes pauses and breaks in between to ask whether we are grasping the context. Yes, he provides us with materials, and we also work on projects too. I'll tell them they should just sign up. They should do it scared, they should do it afraid, they should do it angry, because when I signed up with Vatebra, I did it impulsively, and I'm enjoying every chance. I'm making use of every opportunity I get to use with them. Thank you.